What causes air and water to move? A. Humidity levels. B. Constant wind direction. C. Difference in temperature. D. Presence of clouds. The correct answer is C. Difference in temperature. Coimbatore is known by what nickname? A. The rice ball. B. The Manchester of South India. C. The Detroit of Asia. D. The Granary of India. The correct answer is B. The Manchester of South India. When a magnet is brought near an iron nail without touching, what happens to the nail? A. It heats up. B. It jumps into the air and sticks to the magnet. C. It stays in place. D. It repels away. The correct answer is B. It jumps into the air and sticks to the magnet. What term is used for things that can be easily broken down? A. Non-recyclable. B. Chemical waste. C. Industrial waste. D. Biodegradable. The correct answer is D. Biodegradable. What does a nuclear reactor produce as its main output? A. Harmful radiation. B. Electricity. C. Fissile isotopes. D. Control rods. The correct answer is B. Electricity. What was initially thought to be the basis for the properties of elements before Moseley's work? A. Atomic mass. B. Atomic volume. C. Electron configuration. D. Nuclear charge. The correct answer is A. Atomic mass. Diang is associated with which state? A. Nagaland. B. Sikkim. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Assam. The correct answer is C. Arunachal Pradesh. What atmospheric phenomenon is associated with the formation of hail? A. Thunderstorms. B. Gentle rain. C. Clear skies. D. Fog. The correct answer is A. Thunderstorms. Which planet is known as the giant planet and is the largest of all planets? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Earth. D. Mars. The correct answer is A. Jupiter. What is formed when calcium carbonate decomposes? A. Calcium and carbon monoxide. B. Lime and carbon monoxide. C. Calcium oxide and oxygen. D. Lime and carbon dioxide. The correct answer is D. Lime and carbon dioxide. What was the name of the territorial divisions into which Alauddin Bahman Shah divided the kingdom? A. Subaks. B. Jagirs. C. Provinces. D. Atrafs. The correct answer is D. Atrafs. What is the primary use of activated carbon in filters? A. For sound insulation. B. For water and air purification. C. For heat retention. D. For light reflection. The correct answer is B. For water and air purification. Which organs are associated with the nervous system? A. Heart, blood. B. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. C. Skin and skin glands. D. Muscle fibers. The correct answer is B. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. What is a key advantage of detergents over soap in hard water conditions? A. Detergents clean more effectively. B. Detergents are less effective. C. Detergents require warmer water. D. Detergents produce more soap scum. The correct answer is A. Detergents clean more effectively. Who started the National Social Conference in 1887? A. Dr.S. Dharmambal. B. M.G. Ranade. C. B.M. Malabari. D. Muvalur Ramamirdham Ammayar. The correct answer is B. M.G. Ranade. Inundation of land is a characteristic of which natural phenomenon? A. Earthquake. B. Drought. C. Tsunami. D. Flood. The correct answer is D. Flood. What did peasants have to do to pay landlords' rent and land tax during famines? A. Mortgage or sell their property. B. Work extra hours on railway construction. C. Seek help from local merchants. D. Request a loan from the British government. The correct answer is A. Mortgage or sell their property. What is the equivalent power of 1 horsepower in watts? A. 500 watts. B. 250 watts. C. 746 watts. D. 1000 watts. The correct answer is C. 746 watts. Asia's climatic conditions range from the equator to which other region? A. Mediterranean. B. Desert. C. Polar. D. Subtropical. The correct answer is C. Polar. Where is the tundra climate region primarily located in North America? A. Central Mexico. B. Northern coast of Canada and Northern Islands. C. Southern United States. D. Western mountain ranges of the USA. The correct answer is B. Northern coast of Canada and Northern Islands. What is the subject of the text immediately following the world between two world wars? A. Dollar imperialism. B. The African National Congress. C. The Berlin Colonial Conference. D. Decolonization. The correct answer is D. Decolonization. Photosynthesis is a process where light energy is transformed into what kind of energy? A. Nuclear energy. B. Potential energy. C. Mechanical energy. D. Chemical energy. The correct answer is D. Chemical energy. Besides atoms, what else is explicitly mentioned as a topic of study in this lesson? A. Planetary motion. B. Elements and compounds. C. Biological cells. D. Subatomic particles. The correct answer is B. Elements and compounds. What is found in the Kaveri Basin? A. Dunite. B. Oil and gas. C. Iron ore. D. Vermiculite. The correct answer is B. Oil and gas. Mitigation should aim to reduce what types of vulnerability to threats? A. Political, environmental, and cultural. B. Physical, economic, and social. C. Technological, spiritual, and historical. D. Geographical, educational, and legal. The correct answer is B. Physical, economic, and social. What is an important evidence found in archaeological sites related to the text? A. Metal tools. B. Pottery. C. Jewelry. D. Stone carvings. The correct answer is B. Pottery. What causes the lactometer to sink up to the proper level and float upright in milk? A. The narrow upper tube. B. The cylindrical stem. C. The spherical bulb filled with mercury. D. The weight of the air chamber. The correct answer is C. The spherical bulb filled with mercury. How many states are there in India? A. 27. B. 29. C. 30. D. 28. The correct answer is D. 28. Analogous to a single brick being the building block of a wall, what is the basic building block of the body? A. Systems. B. Organs. C. Tissues. D. Cells. The correct answer is D. Cells. What do the substances shown to the right of the arrow in a chemical equation represent? A. Products. B. Catalysts. C. Inhibitors. D. Reactants. The correct answer is A. Products. How did you score?